cinemaplusnews.com.
Said there's nothing to writing. Basically, all you do is sit down at the typewriter, in our case, our computers, and just bleed. That's about it. And I feel very rightly said, because writing does take a lot of sweat, toil, emotion, and literally, your characters literally do make you bleed. Dance of Durga is a very special story for me, as it has traveled with me through some of my most beautiful moments and celebrations in life, and also been with me through some terrible personal loss and grief. I'm very happy to share the ideas, thoughts, and the journey of creating this novel and my protagonist, Raju.
So I'm going to thank the media who's here. For Kanika. I have seen her through the time when she started writing this book, maybe in between. I met her, we worked in a movie together. And I've seen the transition in her. I've never been a writer, and that's something which I envy people who write, because I don't know how you all get into that world of imagination. And I feel your platform is so huge. What you all create is what a lot of us sit and look up to and dream, whether it's fairy tales, whether it's a lot of things. So I've closely seen her go through a lot writing this book, and then so I keep telling her every time she has a launch, I said, you've given birth to the baby, so it can't be worse than that. So more than this, it's how people read and interpret and how they absorb it and onto themselves. Now, and I want to thank everyone here to be a part of this, friends, family, a lot of people from the industry, media, and thanks for having me here. So getting back to Ashwini now, yes, I do believe in God. When I was sitting there, when you said believe in God, there's something which, I just realized as we were talking that one thing which is very common in the whole thing is that word believe. Do you believe in God? Do you not believe in God? Do you believe in the universe? Do you believe in yourself? So I feel each one of us is something that we share so commonly and so strongly is belief. And I feel that itself is a faith. I feel that itself is a God in itself. That whatever you believe in it, you make it your own, you live by it, that's your strength, I feel. So I guess whatever is anyone's belief, I feel it's their God, and my God, of course, I believe in the Almighty, the one person, whoever is there, and of course, a lot of my traditionals, my ancestral deities, so I do believe in all of that.
So Anushka, there's a beautiful excerpt from what Kanika has written. I would like you to read it.
Yes, again, that's a bit I really, that's something which it's one of my personal favorites, because love is something, I guess, like what you all spoke about, it's something which we can never do without. And when we are in it, it always makes our world upside down, whatever kind. And personally, I feel love is all about growth, because I feel each one of us as beings are here to evolve, and it's a part of a growth. You know, the partners come together to grow together, and then it's your choice either to grow together or fall apart. And the first time when we meet each other and somehow we take each other for granted. After a few years, we see a lot of other new things around. We just want to, it's like getting into a candy shop. You've had your share and you want to go see something else which entices you. But again, it's the same thing. Once you reach that so many years, it gets back to the same thing.